Morning, motor people. Hopefully, the audio is coming this time. Great day in Bangalore. Let's get going. Poi nama poi. Okay, hello, motor people. Welcome to AJ Motor Quest. ನಮ್ಮ ಇತ್ತ ಬೀಚ್ ಇಡಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ದಾಲಜಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬರ್ತದ್ದು ಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಗರಾಜ್ ದಕ್ಲ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆನಿವರ್ಸರಿದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗು ಅಂತೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ತಪಂಡ ಯಾನು ಶೂಟ್ ಮನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬರ್ತದ್ದು ಸರಿ ಬೈಜ್ಜಿ ಕೆಲವು ಶಿಪ್ ತೋಜುಂಡು ಮುಲ್ಪರ್ದು ಅವಳುಂಡು ಅಂಡುಂಡು ಅವು ಬತ್ತದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅದು ಪೋಡು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ವಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮೂಲು ಓಕೆ ಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಗರಾಜ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯು ನೋ ಕುಡ್ಲದ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟಾಪ್ ರಾಯಲ್ ಎನ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ KTM ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಿಂಗ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಮನ್ಪೇರು ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಅಣ್ಣಗೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಅನ್ನ ಪೂರ ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ ಸೊ ಯಾನ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಂದು ಮಾತು ಆತುಂಡು ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಪೋಯಾರೆ ಪೋಪುನ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತುಜಿ ಕೊಂಚ ಪೋದು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಜನ ತುಂಬದ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿತ್ತಾರೆ ಸೊ ಈಗ ಪೋದು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದು ರಿಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಆಡಿಯೋ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಸ್ ರಿಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ So yeah, once again congratulations Akshay Naga.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿ ಉಂಟು ಮಾರ ಓಕೆ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದು ಕಾಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಗೀಟ್ ಉಂಟು ಮೋನಿನ ಗಾಡಿ ಉಂಟು ಭಯಂಕರ ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು
Ready? And to a big round of applause. Guys, go ahead.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell the world that you're in love with me. Congratulations and celebrations when we can see that you're meant for each other. Yay! Please for us.
So it has been a great support from everyone. John, who was always there with us from a very long time, he keeps coming like he's one of us every time. He's here anytime he wants with his kid. She keeps playing around, taking our tools. So it's very nice to have you with us, John. Thank you. And Girish Anna, I just gave him a single call telling that I just wanted him to come here and speak regarding his ride. He didn't hesitate to tell anything, but still he came. Okay, I'll do it, and he's here. Thank you very much, Girish Anna. And Shivraj and Reshma ma'am, I wanted them to speak because I heard a few things from Sean that they keep riding on their scooters and she learned it very difficultly, as Sean was telling. It's nice to have them here. Thank you very much. And not to miss Sachinanda. every time he comes here, he makes everyone laugh. It's nice to work on their bikes. When he gives us enough time, so we can do everything, whatever is possible on that bike. And it's been nice time with him. He has been doing videos for our workshop. Thank you so much, Sachinanda. And there was Prem Bhai, who has been a same support to us. He is left early. Thank you so much, Buroshanna, for coming and helping us. Thank you everyone. There was many participants and many clubs coming here. And I'm calling Sean. We have a small memento for UBM and there's a Java club from our side. And for the scooter club, I want Shitras to come. Anyways, he can speak regarding it. And for the bikeries, Rachel is there.
Rachel.
I've not missed out any clubs, I guess. Is there anyone? Ashwin bhai. Ashwin bhai. I want to tell something about Bangalore Bulls, as even I'm a member from past 1 year. This club has been supporting us a lot from a very long time, because the work we do is on Royal Enfield and all the bikes from the club is of Royal Enfield. So we have been working under them. I have done a single ride, I guess, which is the most memorable one towards me. So thank you, Ashwin bhai.
Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
This is so much.
And I want to thank my team regarding the same. I want Helson, Abhishek and Charan to be here, and Shreyas and I. That's it. This is a team and they have been very helpful towards me. They have been working day and night to finish so many projects, and it's been like I have been working with Royal Enfield since almost 4 or 5 years, and these have recently joined my team maybe around 2 years or something like that. And but we don't call ourselves experts, but we are managing to get the things done. So we are trying. It's been just a journey for us, just 2 years. So hoping you all to support us on the same again, and hope let's see more people in the next anniversary and we can do it in some venue or something. Thank you all for coming. Thank you.
Just want to thank Akshay, okay, because what should I say? He's always been in the forefront of arranging biking events for everybody, and he's always trying to get the entire biking club together, the entire biking community together. It doesn't matter if you're a solo rider, say for example Ajay, okay? It doesn't matter if you're a solo rider, if you're a group, it doesn't matter. You ride, you share a passion, please do come, and just feel free. To quote, many of you may not be really knowing about some of the, say for example, like our other clubs. We are part of the King's Raid team from Bangalore. There's also the Bangalore Java Yazdi Motorcycle Club. And to quote them, okay, to quote the guys from Bangalore as well as Mumbai and Pune, they say, okay, that whenever we are passing by this belt, okay, whether it's Bangalore, Udupi, Kasaragod, that area, they feel very comfortable out here because they know that if they need any help, they need to contact somebody, there's a breakdown, there's any assistance required, we are there. For example, our own Prem Bhai is out here. Any event, function, any riders that come in who are traveling long distance, he's there to catch them. He'll tell us that somebody is coming here and to meet up with them. it's really great to connect like that. And Akshay, together with your team, okay, it's like you're keeping the young blood moving and getting them to do the things. Like otherwise, it's going to be difficult if we have to depend on the people that are from the olden days. And you're always there in the forefront, like trying to do things, getting us connected. And for a small city like Mangalore, okay, like we in Balls, for example, you call John, you call Girishana. Okay, this guy, my good old friend out here, has gone to international levels where his name has appeared in an international scooter magazine, right? What is the name of that? Scooter Nova. Scooter Nova. His name has come with his pictures on his ride. It's come in an international level. Okay, but then many of us, of course, our Bangalore boys, Mumbai boys, they know. And when they come down here, they want to see his museum. For those of you who would have seen his museum out there, in case you still have not seen, you're more than welcome. He is here now. Anytime you want, just give him a call or let us know. You're free to go with friends, family to go and see his museum. So, a person like him, okay, he is very down to earth. But people know him all around the world. But it's only like in a small like gathering like this one where we get to see him face to face and to interact with him. Then as well as with other people, like other friends among, we come together after a long time. Okay, it's really good. Thank you so much, Akshay, for doing all this. Seriously, thank you from bottom of our hearts.
We have a friend of ours who has been with us all the time. I want to call Lipirananda and Shreyas here. Very supportive, though he finishes he manages account. Still he finishes his work and he comes down running here. He works with us, he be with us. It's nice to have such people around. I just want to thank them. And there was two Royal Enfields which I feel that was kept really very nicely. And I just want to give them a small moment, small thing from our side. I just want to call them to work. Last but not least, John, I want to give him like it. ಇದು ಬರೋದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡು ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಂತಾರೆ
And yes, it's very nice to have Akshay here because all of us keep wondering. Frankly, we have a big shortage of mechanics now. Because we don't find really trustworthy people whom we can entrust our bikes with. All of us love our bikes. It's like family to us. So it's nice to have you here, and you are like an asset to Mac.
Thank you so much.
So, and not only Royal Enfield, beat any bike because first I saw him fixing only Royal Enfields. Okay. Then I saw KTM's coming in. He fixed them. Then he saw RX's. Then Road King's SD thing. There have been Harleys here which he has fixed. There have been Primes which he has fixed. So slowly, it's building up. So it's a small shop, but it's based on your work, the quality of your work, and you're always there for people. And even with breakdowns, no matter where you call them, you give him a call, and he comes rushing, wherever it is. Sometimes when I come here, he's not in the shop. I ask him where he is. He is gone. God knows where. And he does the breakdown. If he can't fix it, then he'll bring it. Somehow he'll bring it back. Okay? So that's very nice what you do, and we will always continue to support you.
Thank you.
Ah, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಎಂದು
Yes, bro. Bye bye.
ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್
Tigga.
ತಿಗ್ಗ
Yeah, man. See you. Bye bye.
ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಎತ್ತಂಗ ಲೇಟ್ ಉಂಟು